Hey everybody, Kim here, and no, you can't actually see me because I have no makeup on and it's about 10 o'clock at night when I'm making this video for you guys, but I wanted to give you a really quick walkthrough of our Share a Cart. So how you're going to get to Share a Cart, this is so you can set up orders very easily for customers and for coaches. You go to your teambeachbuddy.com coach page, coach.teambeachbuddy.com. Be sure you're logged in. Go to Grow My Business and go down here to Share a Cart. It's as easy as that. Be sure it might make you, well, I might not have been logged all the way in. It might make you sign in again. But anyway, if you have multiple business centers, which this is a new coach training, so none of you do, I don't know why I even mention that. You are going to go to New Enrollment/Order and click it. You're going to enter the email address of somebody. I am going to do just a random one just to be able to do this. So Pogo was my dog. You can either enroll somebody as a customer or as a coach, and this is where you click to change that, okay? And I will show you the difference in a second. So let's start with customer. You have to check yes there and hit continue. And then you can shop for whatever you need. And basically what you are doing is you are building somebody's shopping cart for them. And this is after, you have talked about their goals and their struggles and different programs and all of that, and talked about Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology or 2B Mindset, whatever's right for this particular person, okay? And you are going to build their cart for them. So maybe you want to do a challenge pack, which is the most common thing. Well, hello. You'll click on challenge packs. If my computer will work. I'm not giving it enough time. Okay, there we go. And you get this list for all these different challenge packs. There are challenge packs for pretty much every program. You can scroll through and see all of them, okay? Don't forget, Ultimate Reset is back here. But let's go with one of the most common ones, okay? Lift 4 is a very common one. 2B Mindset is extremely common. 80-Day Obsession, Beachbody On Demand. I'm going to show you this with Beachbody On Demand. It will show you all the different options. You can do annual Beachbody On Demand, which is the one-year membership with Shakeology and chocolate performance supplements. So you're going to get Chocolate Recover. You'll get, let's see, with that one, you'll get, looks like Hydrate maybe, and Energize. If you click on each one, it'll tell you exactly what it is. There's the Deluxe, which has got Recover and Energize and Shakeology, okay? This one is your on-demand and Shakeology. This one's on-demand and your performance supplements. You can click through and see which ones you want, okay? You can get it with Daily Sunshine. You can get it with Orange Performance Supplements, or the Orange Recover anyway. There is an option to do the quarterly on-demand and Shakeology. I wouldn't do it. There's no point. They're going to need the annual membership anyway, and it's going to be more cost-effective in the long run. So I have honestly never even used that. So those are your options, okay? I'm going to show you a couple other things while I'm on this page, and then we'll walk through one. For a completion pack, this is for somebody that is already a Beachbody On Demand customer or member, okay? And so say they need to add on maybe their Shakeology with the Portion Fix containers, or maybe the performance supplements in Portion Fix. Maybe they want Shakeology and the supplements, right? And so, or Daily Sunshine. There's all these different configurations. You can do completion packs with different programs. You can do it with 80-Day Obsession. You can do it for, I know there's one for Lift, all that kind of stuff, okay? 2B Mindset's another one I want to show you because there are only a couple of options. There's the 2B Mindset Challenge Pack with Shakeology and the 2B Mindset Challenge Pack with the year of Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology. Okay, so that's where you find all the challenge packs. Again, there's a bunch. If somebody just wants Shakeology, you click here. It will walk you through everything. You pick your flavor. You can do alternating combos, samplers, boosts. Guys, don't forget about these boosts. If you're talking to somebody and they've got, they struggle with energy all day long, add a focused energy in. If they need extra greens, they struggle getting their greens in, their veggies in, add Power Greens. Digestive health is wonderful for people with that need extra fiber for GI reasons, okay? Different accessories. This is where your shaker cups and canisters are. Let's see, other big ones, nutrition programs. You can find 2B Mindset under here, 3-day refresh and reset. Fitness programs, but really, why would you do just the fitness program by itself when you can do a challenge pack? Supplements are here. We've got all the bars. We've got performance supplements, performance packs. We've got daily sunshine, 3-day refresh, all kinds of stuff. Fixate and Portion Fix are here. More supplements. I don't even know what's under more supplements. Oh, Activit, great multivitamin if you need it. So those are a bunch of the different options. Obviously, there's some gear as well. We're going to go with a challenge pack, and I'm going to walk you through the rest of this, if it will populate. Hello, computer. Here we go. Okay, let's say we're going to do a Lift 4 challenge pack with Beachbody On Demand, excuse me, and Shakeology. So you're going to click on that. You are going to see, it's going to detail out everything that they get. You'll see a little picture. And you are going to choose your shake flavor, 30 servings or 24 packets. I mean, a 30 serving bag. You're going to choose your flavor. Let's just say they're going to do chocolate vegan. And select your packaging size, whichever one, you know, is better for them. If they're doing just a single flavor, I would always do the 30 serving bag. If they want to try multiple flavors, get a combo box. Then you're going to do add to cart. Okay, and now this cart is created, all right? And you are going to see their challenge pack right there. Now, I am not going to click it because this is not a real email address, but you will click right here where it says send email. If you wanted to add another supplement, you would click continue shopping. You would go in and maybe add, maybe they wanted beach bars too. Okay, you'd add a couple beach bars, whichever one they want. Select your order type. I always do monthly auto ship because it saves so much in shipping. They can always simply call and cancel that or delay if needed. Okay, so now their cart is built. If you wanted to add boosts, you can keep adding whatever it is that they need that you guys have already talked about, okay? Or you can even build a cart for them and say, look, this is what I recommend. For what we have talked about for your needs, this is what's going to get you the best results. And put everything in there, okay? Send them the email. Now, I will also say, once you click send email, this little button right here will turn gray and it will say copy link or copy shareable link. I always click it and copy that link, and I send that link to the person in either an email or a direct message, whatever's best for them. Because sometimes these emails go to junk folders or spam folders or whatever. So I always want them to have the direct link to their cart. All they do is click their link. It goes right to their cart. They confirm everything and they check out, and that's it. Now, I want to go back. Let's see. I want to go back because I want to see if I can get back to the start. I want to show you what it looks like if I did coach. Oops. If you did coach, excuse me, you have all the same choices, okay? So I'm again going to do a challenge pack because honestly, that's what I do 99% of the time, okay? Somebody that's going to be a coach, let's say they're going to do 2B Mindset with Beachbody On Demand and Shakeology. And you're going to, again, pick your flavor. Maybe they want to do a combo box. I'll show you this, just, you know, and then you'll have different combos that you can do, okay? Add that to your cart. Now you will see that they have their challenge pack plus the digital business starter kit, okay? Because if it is somebody that is coach enrolling at the same time they're purchasing their challenge pack, there is no charge for this. But I just wanted you to see what they would have also listed in here. This is always going to be in here if you are enrolling somebody as a coach, okay? Now, I'm going to back out of this again and show you, and then you still go through, you know, send email, the same exact thing. If this is somebody that already has purchased a challenge pack and they are upgrading to a coach, again, you'll put in their information. It will probably say right here that this person is already a Beachbody On Demand member, which is okay. You're going to click coach, click yes, click continue. And if they want to purchase other stuff at the same time, that's great. Build their cart for them, like normal. But you can also do enroll without purchase for them. And this will upgrade them to a coach, and it will only charge the $39.95, but we will get that refunded right back to them if they have ever purchased a challenge pack in the past. It's a simple form that they fill out, okay? So you'll do send email, same thing. I just wanted to walk you through those different scenarios, and that's how you use Share a Cart. It's super, super easy. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, of course, post it below and we'll get them answered, okay? Good night.